I feel obligated as a clinician who is taking care of a lot of people with tick bites and has had a lot of tick bites myself. Here's what you do if you get people. Number one, do not believe everything you read with regard to, Vaseline and lighters and matches and all that other crap. Get a pair of handy tweezers, put the tweezers right at the skin where the head of the tick has entered your skin. Grab it firmly and with steady pressure, pull back on that tick to get the head out. Do not pull from the body. You got to get the head out. It will feel like there's some resistance because there is. Its pesky little teeth have dug in, has little barbs on it. Pull that tick out. Then do not flush that tick down the toilet. Take a piece of Scotch tape and tape that tick to an index card. Write the date on it, where you were bitten on your body, and throw it in a drawer. Then, if 10 days, 2 weeks later, you develop a fever, a rash, unusual symptoms, you can take that handy tick to your doctor where they can actually test it. They can test it to find out if that tick is infected. It comes back way faster than your own blood titers. So super easy. No reason to panic, no reason to walk around, fearful of ticks, no reason to avoid hiking or being in the backwoods or wherever else because you're afraid of a tick bite. Simply be cautious. If you get bitten by one that embeds, do what I just said, save the tick, and in all likelihood, you'll be fine.